mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Meron tayong red 5 guys. Ito yung card ng spectators guys. Set aside muna natin guys. Kukuha tayo ng 19 cards guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Lagyan natin sa top card yung card ng spectators guys na red of 5. Katin natin guys. Kahit ilang cut guys, pwede. Ngayon guys, i-deal natin guys. Magbubukas tayo ng isang card guys. Sample, itong buksan natin guys. 5 guys, 5. Yung red card guys na card ng spectators guys, nasa pang 5 position guys. 5 position. Bilang tayo guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito na yung red of cards guys. Buksan natin guys. The Magician is always correct guys. Red of 5. Thank you for watching guys.